Hello and welcome to Flora and Fauna. This is a 3 signature journal with a 2-inch spine, and I've made it using entirely my Flora and Fauna kit. I haven't deviated from it at all. I haven't added any more pages. This is everything that you get in the kit. So let's have a look inside. Let's have a look at the cover first. It's got this beautiful Tree of Life cover, and again on the back a different design for this Tree of Life to encompass all of the flora and fauna that live inside. So let's have a look. First of all, we've got this beautiful owl and this peacock with a tag inside. That's got writing space on the back. There is so much writing space in this journal, so much. And we've got this flip that opens out to reveal the peacock end paper. And then we turn over the page, we've got this beautiful dark pattern paper with this peacock bookmark, again with writing space. Everything has got writing space where possible. And then we've got these 3 long pockets, again writing space on the back of these 3 beautiful tags. And this is kind of pond themed, this one. We've got this woodpecker here. Throughout the journal there are quite a few of these highly decorative pages that stand alone, but they do not detract from the writing space because we have got so much of it here. We've also got these decorative pages and these little journaling cards that tag onto the end and dot throughout the journal with our beautiful creatures on. And over the page here we've got this sunflower, and then a fox with a fly agaric mushroom. This is a large tag with writing space on the back. And the fox here looks as though he's peeping from behind the undergrowth, but he is in fact a fold-out spread with writing space on the back. Here we have a circle pocket, writing space, room for tags in that hidden pocket there, and that lives in its little sunflower pocket. We've got a mini one to echo it here, and this tag here slides off. It's not a hidden paper clip, although we do have hidden paper clips in the journal. This just slides on and off and it sits there, and we have obviously got writing space inside that tag. And this is the same tag obviously that slides off. Large journaling card here with writing space on the back. Then we have these lovely pockets. This one is a frog and a lily pad again. Another tag with writing space. Then we have this lovely spread here. This mouse in his jacket opens up to reveal a peacock, and we open that to reveal a pocket with a couple of tags on. And underneath this peacock is another tag, and this little section here, this little bit of whimsical extra writing space. And we've got a writing space here that is also a pocket. Oh, on this page here, we've got this hare, little badger, and we've got this writing space that tucks into the pocket and is kept in place by these 2 friends here. Over again, we've got 2 tags on a big full page of writing space on the back. Then we've got this tag pocket that's got this little bit of writing space that opens out as well. Then we've got this lovely trifold kind of free floating tag that's got a pocket in the centre and a pocket on the front. And we've got this built-in folio that's a large writing space as well. That tucks in there. Then we've got quite a simple spread of these beautiful tulips echoed with the tag. It's paper clipped onto the top there, and we've got this writing space, a swan and a beautiful hare, and we've got this tag writing space on the back. We've got 2 pockets here with 2 tags. That's got a folding one there with writing space. Beautiful spread just on its own. Then we've got a hidden paper clip here with 3 of those throughout the kit, and a tag with writing space. This space here, the deer comes out to release this little writing space. We've got these 2 little paperclip dangles on the side of the journal. Lovely little tuck spot there, being looked after by this hair. Then we've got a card that opens with some notepaper inside. Beautiful stag there. And this stag is echoed on this page, and a large flat scroll of writing paper. Then we've got this little page here that tucks underneath this lovely bee. And another hidden paper clip that's got a tag on it on this side. Then we have another long pocket with the peacock's feather echoing the peacock here, and this page is a full page of writing paper. And that tucks in there another of our dangly tags. Then we've got a nice plain page of writing paper and 2 tags, writing space on the back, of course. And then we have this robin, and our robin folds out to reveal this patch of strawberries and writing space, and that pops out to reveal a robin on a nest, and that folds out to reveal a great big writing space. That's that one. Then we have this sunflower tag that holds in place this page, beautiful little page together, that one. And another large journaling tag under a belly band of this gorgeous, gorgeous bee. Again, space on the back. And we've got a paper clip tag to help hold all that in place. Then we have our ladybird tag. I particularly love this one and this spread with its little tuck spot there. More tags and a beautiful, beautiful fox. And then we have a long pocket with a badger with writing space. Now what I'm going to do with this journal is I am going to give this to my mum, and I'm going to ask my mum to write all sorts of memories in here. And when she's done that, recipes, memories from her own childhood, etc. When she's done that, I want her to give it me back, and I will do the same, and I will fill in any gaps with my own memories and messages, and I'm going to give this to my daughter, and that will then become an heirloom piece. And I think it's perfect for it. I've been wanting to do that for a long time. I've never quite made the kit to do it, but this is definitely the one. In this little guy here, if we take this tag out, we can open that window to reveal the peacock on the other page, and that lives in there to keep that flat. And we've got this folding journaling card that's got the bird and the swan on it. Got a tag here and our beautiful peacock. Then we've got this other long pocket with this owl and magnolia tree. I absolutely love that. A pocket and a flip. Large journaling tag in a pocket. This owl here is protecting its nest of eggs. Another little whimsy in this little pocket. Then we take off this folding journaling card, which is our badger and our hare. We can flip this open, flip it again, and we've got a little notebook in here. And then we've got a large journaling card tucked in there. This is a folding one. And then finally, last page, we've got 2 journaling cards, the folding journaling cards, and a large tag. And they nestle in there, and we turn over to a final page, and we're back to our beautiful peacock end paper. So that is Flora and Fauna. Every page in there is from the kit. I haven't added any other pages, so you can see how vast this kit is. This walkthrough is the introduction to a series of tutorials I've put together using this kit. I go right from the very beginning of folding my signatures right the way through absolutely everything, right down to making the cover and matting it and adding the final decorations. So if you'd like to follow along with me, I would absolutely love that. If you're beginning at journaling, even though this looks like such an advanced and beautiful journal, you can absolutely make this. So if you feel like making this beautiful thing, hop on board. It's deceptively easy. If you're a more experienced journaler, I hope you come along with me too. Right, let's have a look next at everything that's included in the kit.